like a chauffeur.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to our channel, family, and our crew. Yeah, we just got back in from Walmart. I did not record while we was in there, so it would not be a walkthrough. Philip been asking me for some more chopsticks. His sister used to get him some from the Asian restaurant when she used to work there, and then Deontay used to as well, but we don't have anymore. So I got him this pack. It was only $2. So, and he can keep these. He can wash them and keep them for a minute. So I got him that. Like I said, it was just $2. I want me some brownies today, so I'm making me some. I got the Supreme chocolate chunk and the Supreme triple chunk. They was on that middle aisle, you know, the display aisle, and it was only $2. So got to, because I'm gonna make, like I said, I'm making some today. I've been wanting some just regular Frosted Flakes, and we do not have any. I got the mega box. Excuse me, I got another box of Cocoa Pebbles. I was hoping they had a mega size, but they didn't. And then Jordan got one of these bowls because he's a copycat. Look at him. He a copycat. Yeah. But I think it was what's her name? Pioneer Woman. I think it was the Pioneer Woman and that other, the Home and Garden or something. They had the glass ones that's like this. Y'all done seen them at Walmart. The little bougie fancy ones that everybody decorate with. And I said, well, babe, they got the mainstay for $1. So he got him one because he's going to plate when he does his presentations on our cooking channel. And if y'all don't follow our cooking channel and y'all are new, please go follow our cooking channel. It is, what is it? Cooking with Pops? Cooking with Pops. But I got me one. I just like this pretty color. I got Philip this one bowl. And you know the shape. I like the shape of these. And y'all gonna ask me why I just didn't get 5 of each. Because most of the time they eat out of paper plates. So me and Philip and my mama are really the only ones who kind of eat out of bowls. Because Deontay, Jordan, all of them, they'll eat out of the paper bowls or the paper plates. Because, yeah, so yeah, but that's those. And then I got these. Y'all know these little 14 set containers are only like $6.88 at Walmart. I should have got the round ones and the square ones. And Jordan was like, I don't know why you getting them. They gonna get messed up or they ain't gonna find the top. I said, because I needed some more storage bowls. You get the 14 pieces, which is 7 bowls and 7 lids. Then I got Philip his Mountain Dews, and these Sam Cokes are just to put up. I got a curtain rod for Mama E for her room because I had to get another. I just had to get one more curtain rod. And y'all know these curtain rods done went up. These things used to be $1.98. I remember these tension, the little cheaper ones used to be $1.98. These things are like almost $5 now. Yeah. And then I got me the shower liners. And then I got, let me finish showing y'all what I got. Then I'll show y'all what Jordan got. Well, this he got these chips. I got some Fresh Craving, the restaurant style salsa, because I'm making me some fajitas. And then I got 2 things of fajita seasoning mix. I'm doing the chicken fajitas. I got 2 more fajita seasonings, 1 more thing of cilantro to go on them, the 10-count flour tortillas for my fajitas, and some more bell peppers because I like to use the sweet bell peppers in mine. And then Jordan got 1 more thing of this thick and chunky manwich. That's what he's making for the kiddos, for the family. And I got me some Snapple, the watermelon and lemonade. And then Jordan got the basmati rice for a dish he's making. And then he got the non-fat Greek yogurt plain. He only got 1. And this came from Winn Dixie. All the stuff he got came from out of Winn Dixie. And he got the butter masala. He got 2 of them. And this is the creamy tomato and ginger. He got 1 thing of the organic turmeric. And he got 1 thing of organic cumin. What else he picked up? Some legs. I think he said these was buy 1, get 1 free. So he got 2 packs of the legs. And it's what? 1, 2. It's 5 of them in each pack. But like I said, it was buy 1, get 1 free. So I'm pretty sure he bought this one for $5.41 and got the 5.10 free. Because y'all know how they do. They charge you for the more expensive one. And then he got a pack of chicken thighs. for a meal that he'll be doing. And like I said, he got some chips. So that was it, y'all. I thank you guys for watching. As always, please give this video a thumbs up if you love seeing hauls. Like I said, this time I did not do a walkthrough because I was just trying to get in and out of there. And yeah. But I'll see you guys later. Y'all be blessed. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to another video. Oh, we did just get back from the store, and we will be having our dryer delivered Thursday. So I'm so glad about that. But until then, we're going to be taking those clothes to the laundromat as soon as everything is done. But I just thank God that we will have the dryer Thursday. Yeah, I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful. But I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.